Smart shopping with augmented reality powered by Cygnus. Cygnus AR is one-of-kind augmented reality solution that enhances the shopping experience of your customers. Your customers can see your products in their living space in reality. It helps your customers to visualize your products in reality wherever, whenever, and however they want. All your customers need is a camera-enabled device such as a cell phone or a laptop.
In this video, we will demonstrate how a customer can shop for furniture and furnish his or her office space in reality using Cygnus AR. We will start with an empty office space. Shop at a furniture store that is enhanced using Cygnus AR. Choose desk, chair, file drawers, drag it around. Your customer will be able to visualize exactly how it will look as if the furniture are placed actually in their office space.
Let us shop and place furniture one by one to create a furnished office space.
First, we are placing an executive chair from the furniture store catalog. It is virtual, of course, but it looks real. Let us move this chair around to find the right spot.
Next, we are placing a desk in front of the chair.
Next, let us place the visitor chairs.
Let us move these furniture around to position as desired.
Oh, we need a filing cabinet to organize the files. Okay, let us place a filing cabinet in the space and move it around.
Great, we are all set with the filing cabinet.
In an office, we definitely need a printer, and for placing the printer we need a printer table.
Select and place the printer table. Now, place the printer on the printer table.
You can move, transform, and rotate all these furniture individually. Now, you have furnished your office space, without spending a time. Neat, isn't it?
Of course, it is all virtual. What you saw just now is just one application of what AR could do for you and your customers. The applications are endless: furniture shopping or remodeling, home or office.
If you like what you saw and leap into the new era of AR to provide similar experience to your customers, let us talk.
For more details, contact Cygnus Softwares, Inc. Visit us on www.cygnussoftwares.com.